We're going to do a brief video on Exxon Stock, XMO Stock Analysis, and we've got a daily chart here of Exxon Mobil Corporation right in front of us, and we've got a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. We'll go back here and take a look at this stock from December of 2021. We can see this stock's firmly in a bull market and has been since then. It bounced off even before, and it bounced off on the 20th of December 2021, and then did a really good nice rally up to around the $83 level. Came down and corrected a little bit, as you would expect. Same thing again here in March, did a little correction and all the way up until it made its high in June 8th on 2022. At that time, we made what was a reasonably predictable rally or expected rally, testing the 200-day moving average, which is in a nice little gradual up slope here. And Exxon's still firmly in a bear market now. These highs of July, obviously, we're not that close to them yet. There's $105 there. This recent high was 101, and you can see the stock has some tendency to look like it's distributing a little bit. It looks like when it gets to around 93 bucks, people are both buying and selling. You notice these bottoms here are all higher, these tops are higher, but we're still below this previous high for this run of the 105 and 57 cents. So this stock, you could describe this stock as distributing up here. I don't know if that might be a little bit too aggressive, but the stock's clearly still in a bear market. We can see we've got a nice straight 20-day moving average. It's somewhat respecting it. It's not beautiful, but this is just really nice respect for a 20-day. This isn't great respect, but it is nice and straight. The 5-day is not all over the place. It's in reasonable condition. Now we're getting a breakdown right here in this area, and I would definitely say that this little past 2 weeks looks like some distribution, but it's nothing that, you know, it's no big deal. The stock's still in a bear market, it's still in a bull market. It's not excessively above its 200-day moving average as it was here. Once you get too far above or below the 200-day, you're going to get a correction. I wouldn't say we're in that territory right here. So what do I think is going to happen in this stock? I think realistically you could get this stock to sell down into the low $90 range, right around $90 range, as we come down and maybe correct a little bit and get a little closer to the 200-day moving average. That's what it's been doing, and it wouldn't surprise me if it did that. It also wouldn't surprise me if it went to 104. So I would say that this is a trader's market. So it is going to go down, it is going to go up, in my opinion, for entertainment purposes only. And I would think that the range is roughly $90 to $104 would be a good trader's range for this stock. Again, all my opinion, for entertainment purposes only. Let's go down and see what RBAM Research says about it. We cover 190 stocks. We put them out Monday through Friday before 7 a.m. This is the 13th today, and so these are current, and we have 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods. Let's see what it says for Exxon. Exxon Mobil, OXM. Let's take a look here. OXM stock analysis for Exxon stock is $96 on the 1, $96.74 on the 5, and $97.32 on the 20-day column. So let's go take a look. So 96 to 97.32. Let's take a look. So we are in that territory for everything, right? So let's take a look. It's recommending buy. So the low today is 95.71. The high today is 97.78. So we're in the range for all of those. So if your own analysis says it's a good idea, for entertainment purposes only, this is recommending buys across the board here in 1-day hold, 5-day hold, 20-day hold, which basically means get in today, get out tomorrow as soon as you get a profit, get out as soon as you get a profit, or worst case tomorrow just before trading closes at a loss. Same thing for the 5-day, same thing for the 20. If you chose the 20, you hold for 20 days. Worst case, get out at a loss if it doesn't show a profit sooner, and take your profits as soon as you get them, even if that is today. So that's how this algorithm works, and it does look like we are currently in the money on these stocks, at least for triggering some activity. Exxon itself is down about almost 1.5% today, but that of course is probably why I put it in the buy territory to begin with. It's currently trading at 96.24, so 96.24. this lowest one would be in the money, and these two would yet to be in the money. But I haven't looked at the total day. You may have already rallied through some of these. But these are for entertainment purposes only. They're for your entertainment enjoyment, and you can get them every morning before 7 a.m. along with 190 stocks, Monday through Friday. Absolutely no cost, no credit card required at rbamresearch.com. In addition to the stocks, we cover the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, the most liquid futures contracts, and they're all available for free, again, with no credit card. There's a link in the description below. And you just go to RBAM Research and sign up. If you like technical analysis, you like these moving averages we're showing you, please leave a comment saying you like them in the comment section below and tell us why. If you don't like them, a lot of people can't stand them and don't believe in them, leave us a comment to that effect below and tell us why. We'd love to hear from you. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. Please remember that everything you've seen and heard on here, including our commentary and our entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. You have to do your own analysis. You can't use ours or our entry prices for anything other than entertainment, and you definitely do trade at your own risk.